Hello everyone. If you have Android phone, so you don't need to carry your laptop all the time to run a Python program. So you have to just go to Play Store and you have to search for PyDroid 3. After finding this PyDroid 3, you have to install it. And after installation, you have to open just like a simple application. After that, you have to choose some options which you can choose according to your choice. After that, you have to skip the last one, that is the payment option. Now, this is your platform in which you can write down your program. So, I am writing a program just like A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to A plus B, and I want to print this C. So I will write print C. Now in this arrow sign you have to click to run the program. So see, the result is 30. After that you can save your program. So here I am choosing app storage removed on uninstall. Now I am giving the name, that is lopa1, and see, lopa1py was saved. I hope this PyDroid 3 app will help you a lot. Thank you for watching.